happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we're back with our English class, and today we will not start any chapter because we have completed our syllabus. But today we will be revising our model question paper. See, we'll send you the model question paper and it is like a sample of the final paper. यानी कि जो आपका final question paper होगा वो कैसा होगा, what kind of questions can come, all this rough idea you will get through this model paper. So let's start. Okay. So as you can see, this is your model question paper. And these are the instructions which we need to keep in mind. Write in clear, neat and legible handwriting, always important. You should write in a neat handwriting. You should write the answers in the answer sheet. Then the following details, that is the name, class, division, all should be mentioned in the answer sheet. And please make sure that it should be on the first page. आपके आंसर शीट के फर्स्ट पेज में ये सारी डिटेल्स होनी चाहिए. Then you have to write the questions also in the answer sheet. And please make sure to send the photo shot before 8 p.m. Now see, question number 1 is choose and write the correct options for the following. The bear wanted dash hair, long, short or curly. With whom did Rip Van Winkle go up the mountains? His wife, a man or his dog? The monkey took the dash when Badlu Singh was not looking. Towel, scissors and comb. So you have to choose the correct one. First write the question, the bear wanted dash hair, and for the answer, whatever is the option, see specifically कि आप options right लिखो. Okay? For example, the bear wanted long hair. Suppose your answer is A, long. So please mention in the bracket A and then the answer. Now the second one, choose the correct meanings for the following from the box given below. So you have to write the meanings. And this is your help box through which you can get an idea. Physical activity, a small river, a large hole in a hill. Now, next one. Who said to whom? Where is Shuno? The schoolmaster. I am much too old to look after a little girl. But you haven't had a haircut for 2 months. So you will say the statement was said by dash to dash. जो आपका answer हो कि who said this? So the statement was said by whatever the name XYZ to XYZ. आपका जो भी answer हो. Question number 4. Number the following sentences in the order in which they appear in the story. Now see, in this one, what is it? That you have to number the sequence. For example, grandfather found Timothy in a market. Grandfather decided not to transfer Timothy to a zoo. And the new tiger was very friendly and loving. So, इसमें आपको sequence बताना है कि which incident happened when. For example, first जो आपका हुआ कि grandfather found Timothy, तो आप first उसमें लिखेंगे. Then the second कब हुआ? See, we remember the story, so we also remember what happened when. So आपको क्या करना है? First write the heading, question number 4, number the following statement, and just write answer. And answer आपको directly लिखना है. So जो आपका sequence आपको सही लगता है उसके according. For example, if you feel that the second one will come first, okay, ये story में first हुआ था, ये second statement, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप लिखोगे 1. Grandfather decided not to transfer Timothy to a zoo. Then 2, अगर 2 आपको लगता है the third one, then you write 2. The new tiger was very friendly. And if you feel the third one is this one, ये last में ये हुआ था, so grandfather found Timothy in a market. I'm just giving an example, so accordingly you have to write. Next is reference to context. I am happy here, but I miss my grandfather and Peter. So who said these words and to whom? Please be careful when you answer the reference to context. This I have asked you earlier also. So आपको ये statement किसने बोली है, इस statement से related जो भी questions है उन्हें answer करना है. Where were these words said? कहाँ पे ये words बोले गए थे? And who was Peter? So please answer the question accordingly. Answer the following questions in short. What did the keeper mean by saying it is not your tiger? Now see, answer in short. So you have to make sure that 4 to 5 lines mein your answer should come. Okay, 4 to 5 lines. Why did the lion get furious? What does the wind do when it is angry? Okay, is that clear? Answer the following in short. Question number 7 is, answer the following questions. Now see, these are bigger. ये answers आपको थोड़े long लिखने हैं. Weightage के according. Describe the rain as it rushes and joins the ocean. So please try to write at least 7 to 8 lines. Okay? आपको answer थोड़ा अच्छे से describe करना है. Who did Rip Van Winkle call after waking up? So in this आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है? First you have to mention that he was sleeping for so many years. And then he woke up. Accordingly आपको फिर sequence में बताना है. थोड़ा सा introduction, okay, a little introduction is important. That is, Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man and then he went to the mountains, keep it short, and he was sleeping. So as soon as he woke up, what he did, that you have to mention. What do you mean by a watery song? This is a poem. You remember the poem? So you have to first write, this question is from the poem, that is the poem name, and then accordingly you have to answer it. In the poem The Water Cycle, the poet telling us not to waste water. Give reasons for your answer. So this one also you have to describe properly. आपका एक ही question रखा है मैंने ये, last one, and you make sure कि आप अच्छे से describe करो that this is from the poem The Water Cycle and the poet says not to waste water because ऐसे ऐसे करके आपको reasons देने हैं. Is that clear to all of you? So I hope the model question paper is clear to all. Please make sure to do your chapters well and also make sure that 80% wale chapters as well as 20% wale chapters, both or you have to cover. It's not like 20% वाले पहले पूछे थे तो अब मैम नहीं पूछेंगी. No, you have to cover it also. Is that clear? So this is it for now. All the best. I know you'll do it well. Goodbye all of you. May God bless you.